Hey everybody, I'm Jessica from Brighton, Colorado, and I am here to show you how to make a solar oven. Perfect for the summer or any sunny time to make s'mores inside or outside. And there's only a few materials that you need. You'll need aluminum foil, a manila folder, an old CD case, one straw, a binder clip, and some scissors and tape. So to get started, super easy. You just need to cut your folder. You need one piece that's about 6 by 11. It doesn't have to be perfect. You see my edge is not straight here, but that's okay. And then you will need one strip about 6 or 8 inches long, a little bit bigger than the width of like a straw. And you need a piece of aluminum foil big enough to cover your manila folder. What you're gonna wanna do is keep your shiniest side out, and we are gonna fold this around our manila folder and tape the edges so that it stays put. Now you do wanna see if you have the shiniest side out, because that's really what's gonna capture that energy from the sun. And you're gonna take your aluminum foil piece here, and you're going to fold it over into a cone shape. And this is probably going to be the trickiest part for those little fingers. You want to take these two long ends and pull together and use one piece of tape to hold it together on the back. And it should make a cone shape like this. Next, you're going to take your new cone here, and it is one easy binder clip onto your CD case like so. And you'll want to leave a little bit of space in there because that is where your straw is going to go. And the purpose of your straw is to use it with your cardboard strip here, which is going to go underneath of your solar oven here, and wrap it underneath your straw. What this is going to do is it's going to let you, depending on where the sun is, pull that cardboard and raise your solar oven so that you can really get the sun's energy in there. And you can see it's actually a very snowy day out today that our sun is already reflecting in here. So once your oven is set, take your s'more pieces, set them inside, leave it in a really nice and sunny spot to cook away. Make sure that if you do get to make our solar ovens, you're sharing a picture with us in the comments below. Stay tuned for more video ideas this week, and thank you for watching Science Matters. Thanks.